My farm girl friend, Lorraine, and her husband agree that she will defend those chicks so we can leave the chicks in with her, but the other girls are picking on her, and as soon as she gets off the nest, they jump in there and they break eggs. So now there's like 6 eggs left. I started with 9 and there are 6 left, and they're covered with like egg yolks, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go. So it's not really going smoothly, but we're hoping it'll go smoother when we fix this little coop up for her. A friend of mine gave me this precious little coop. Thank you, Christy. You're the best. Okay, so my night in baseball cap and jeans is helping me. This is what's broken. We had to put it over our fence. It was just a smidge too small to get in the gate. So we put it over the fence, and it's pretty heavy, and this part got damaged here. So we're gonna replace this piece of wood so that little baby chicks can't run out of here. It's all fixed. And then we're gonna get Dottie all settled in here so that nobody can pick on her, and hopefully she can raise her. We got 6 fertilized eggs left, so hopefully we'll get some chicks. So let's go get her. Here she is. Hey Dottie, rocking your world. She's like, what's going on? Okay, there she is, sitting on those eggs. See, look, they got her little comb there. It's dried now, but that was kind of bloody this morning. They were pecking at her. She's defending those eggs with her life, just like my friend said she would. Hey, we're gonna settle her in there. Have her own space. She can raise them in here, hopefully the chicks. She can raise them herself and they'll be safe from the others. So that's fun. This is what we need to fix. See, this fence doesn't meet right there. I just need to put a shim, I'm thinking, right there and screw it. Yeah. We got this bed frame. It's like a day bed, the back of a day bed. So we're thinking it would make a good gate, because we had this up as a gate piece, but
it's falling apart.
Yeah, it's kind of falling apart. Right there. We just put little hooks up here so I can lift it up. I just have to cover it with chicken wire, and then it'll be finished. The chickens have been working for me, so let's let them out and go back to their coop. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go, girls. Let's go, girls, come on. Come on, girls, let's go. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, girls, let's go. You're cute, come on.
Here, do you want to go lead them?
Oh, okay.
Hey, they're eating everything.
Oh, they are eating. Come on. Okay, come on. Come on. Let's go. Uh-oh. Let's go. Come on.
Hey, go away. No.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Should I grab
Let's
one?
go. Oh. Come on. Come on, girls.
No, no, no. No, don't. Oh.
Alright. All in. So that's what we did today. So it was a good day. I wish that I had done this in the first place. I wish I had repaired the coop and had it ready for her when I had those 9 fertilized eggs instead of the 6 we have now. So, but that's okay. I didn't really expect her to go broody. I didn't know she would, so it just happened all of a sudden, and I got the eggs, and you know, it was all kind of a rush, so that's okay. We'll know next time the best way to do it, and we'll be prepared. Here's some mealworms for you, Dottie. There you go. this will be easier for you. All on your own in here. You won't have to worry. All right. Here we go. All right. I got some fermented food for her. I'm going to set it right there so she can hatch those eggs for us. Did you talk her into it? Huh, buddy? Was this a love shack or not?